Hello everyone, welcome back to SenthilSmartQAHub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Python, verify whether the Python installation is successful, and learn ideally and install the Jupyter notebook. So let's get started. First, we are going to install the Python. To install the Python, we need to go to the official website of the Python. The official website is python.org. So open the python.org website. So I have opened the python.org website. This is the official Python website where we can download the Python. Go to the downloads menu. Here you will notice that Python is available for the different operating system like Windows, Mac OS. Python tool is not available for Linux OS here because by default Python pre-installed on the Linux OS. So currently I'm using the Windows OS. So I'm going to click on the Windows. This is Python release for Windows OS. Here you can see the different Python versions here. Always you can download the latest stable version unless your project specifically required for an old version. So click on the latest installer. I'm going to download the Python 3.13.14. I'm going to click on the Windows installer 64-bit. It is downloaded. I'm going to open this exe file. So now we are going to install the Python. What version we are going to install? We are going to install 3.13.14. We are going to install. This is the installation path. By default, it will take. There is a one very important option. Make sure that you check the add python.exe to the path. Click on the checkbox. This allows you to run the Python from the command prompt without any additional configuration. Whenever we install Python, we'll get the Python interpreter and we'll get IDLE and we'll get PIP. We will get the documentation with required tools. What is Python interpreter? Python interpreter is a core engine of the Python. What it does is Python interpreter reads our code, converts into machine readable for instruction. Python interpreter executes our program line by line. This what is IDLE? IDLE is a integrated development and learning environment. It's like a simple editor where you can write the Python code and run the program. For beginners, they can use ideally for learning the Python. For when you work with the real-time project, the ideally cannot be used. We have to go for third-party IDE, integrated development environment like Visual Studio, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm. So we can use these tools to write the Python code. What is pip? Pip stands for Package Installer for Python. Using pip, you can install the libraries, you can update the packages, you can remove the packages. A document, whenever we install Python, additionally we'll get the document to understand the Python code. The document supports through the help method. Whenever we install the Python, a set of inbuilt modules and tools will be installed like file handling, mathematical operations, date and time, JSON handling, network tools. So these libraries will be installed whenever we install the Python. So I'm going to click on the install now. We will wait until installation completes. Figure we got setup was successful. Now the Python is installed in our system. Now let's verify whether the Python is installed successful or not. For that, just open the command prompt. So open the command prompt. To check whether the Python is successfully installed, we are going to check the Python version. To check the Python version, I'm going to call Python. See, while installing, I clicked on the python.exe checkbox. If I clicked on the python.exe checkbox, the Python command will work. If you don't check the python.exe, then we have to use a py command. So I use python hyphen version and press enter. You are able to see the Python version which we installed. Then now I have installed Python 3.13.14. Suppose while installing you didn't check for python.exe, then we can use py command hyphen version. This Python command will support for all the OS. Py command is recommended on the Windows OS. Now we installed the Python successfully. By verifying the version, we checked whether the Python is installed successfully. Next, we'll see about IDLE. After installing Python, you'll notice on the application called IDLE. What is IDLE? Integrated Development and Learning Environment. This is the Python default editor. After installing the Python, you can search for IDLE. You'll notice on this application, click on this. This is IDLE shell. So IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. This is the Python default editor where the beginners can write the Python code and execute the Python code. For example, here we'll write the simple line of the code. Example, here I'm going to write print welcome and press enter. See, here you will get the output welcome. So this is a very simple editor where we can write the code and it gives the output. If you want to write the multiple lines of the code, you can create a new file. It will open the new file where you can write the multiple lines. Print exam here SenthilSmartQAHub. Next line print welcome. So now I have written the 2 lines of the code. After written the program, I'm going to save the file. I'll give the file name demo. Then save. Then click on run module. Then select the run module. So here you can see the error that I used a print p in uppercase. Print method p should be in lowercase. Now I'll save this. Let me run this code. See, here we got the output. Using this ideally, we can write the single line of the code, or you can create a file and then you can write multi lines of the code. You can write it. So the program got executed now successfully. This is a simple Python IDE. In real time, we don't use this ideally. We can use Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, or PyCharm we can use. Because this ideally output gives only text format only. But whereas if we use other IDE, where we can get text, table, chart, image format output will get. For coming to data science, AI, ML code, if you want to write it, we can go for Jupyter Notebook. Now we'll see how to install Jupyter Notebook. To install Jupyter Notebook, open the command prompt and type pip install notebook. Pip install notebook. So here we use pip command. Pip stands for package installer for Python. It used to install libraries, update the package and remove the package. Now we are going to install the notebook. So pip install notebook. Notebook is the name of the package name. It will install the Jupyter Notebook. Now I'll press enter. See here, now it is installed the Jupyter notebook. So after installing the Jupyter notebook, then to open the Jupyter notebook, type Jupyter notebook. It will open the Jupyter notebook where we can write a Python code here. We'll see next section how to write the code in the Jupyter notebook. Thank you.